And I just want to motivate you guys today that whatever you want to do in life, anything that you want to do, keep pushing, keep trying. Something is going to happen. Something's got to give. Do not give up. No matter what anyone says about you, no matter how many people do not support you, you have to believe in yourself. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart, because I came through it and I'm still going through it. And I just want to remind you, if you believe in you and you are putting all that work into it, y'all, I believe you will succeed. You cannot be set in stone on your way to success. Be open, be flexible about your methods, and the rest is history.
Hey, Mama, bless my family, bless my enemies, bless everybody. Together we be smiling.
Hi, beauty queens and beauty kings. I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. And yes, the setting is different. It's because I have a surprise, as you guys saw on the thumbnail. We're talking about my Cricut machine. Guys, I am using this Cricut machine to pour back into my business. And if you guys didn't know, I introduced that a couple of videos back, I believe. I shared that I opened my business since October officially, and I opened it September, the last 2 weeks of September, but I officially launched in October, and it's been doing so great that my revenue, my cut of it, has helped me buy my Cricut machine. It actually came in 2 parts, y'all. This is the first part, and this is the everything bundle that I got, and I'll have the details of everything down below. And this is the actual machine, you guys. So, oh my god, it's so heavy. I am so excited, guys. So I was able to use my cut, because I set it up in a way where I can get paid through my business, because it is doing decent. So I was like, all right, if I'm getting paid, I was like, why not just use it and pour it back to the business? And I researched ways that I could do so. And I feel like although the Cricut machine may seem tedious, it's actually very, 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 very rewarding if you know what you're doing, if you know what projects you're going to do. And particularly, I also got it to get my daughter into making stickers and perhaps start her own business as well. And I also have other ventures, but for now it is to pour back into my business. I'm so glad that is doing so well and that God has blessed me to share this with you guys. And I just want to motivate you guys today that whatever you want to do in life, anything that you want to do, keep pushing, keep trying. Something is going to happen. Something's got to give. Do not give up. No matter what anyone says about you, no matter how many people do not support you, you have to believe in yourself. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart, because I came through it and I'm still going through it. And I just want to remind you, if you believe in you and you are putting all that work into it, y'all, I believe you will succeed. It may not always be how you start or where you want to be, but something may happen. So also be open to other ventures. So you may start in beauty and you may end up in finance. So just know that you cannot be set in stone on your way to success. Be open, be flexible about your methods, and the rest is history, baby. And I'm here to show you my journey so you can walk through it with me and be encouraged. So let's go and let's unbox this baby. Hey! I'm so excited, y'all. So let's go, let's unbox this so it's not too long. And I think I might actually start a channel for my shop / vlogs / finance related, where it's very informal, where I don't have to edit. I think I'll make it so informal so I can kind of share with you guys my journey. I haven't decided yet whether I'll post this on my beauty channel or if I'll open up a new channel. Just to venture, like I said, try different things. So we shall see where I'll be posting this. Perhaps I'll open the very informal like vlogs and things like that as it relates to my life on a very basic level, finances and anything business related. I haven't decided yet, but either way I might post a video on both platforms, just on both channels if I decide. So whatever route I decide to go, I will post on both channels, I think. So without further ado, like I said, be encouraged, Don't give up. I'll be having videos if I can, updating you on this and other aspects of entrepreneurship, finance, little vlogs here and there. Just trying to change things a little bit. Like I said, we'll see about the new channel. Either way, if you have any questions, feel free to inbox me. Any questions, all the contact details are down below and on my blog. And I'll see you guys soon. Ciao! Okay.
Every day above ground is a blessing. I done leveled up now, view panoramic. None of my fears can't go where I'm headed. Had to cut them loose, now blues break a living.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress. I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.